Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Kushwaha. Do you know the five keywords which constitute the whole accounting concept of the business organizations? Whenever we start recording, we record only these five keywords. Do you know it? If you don't know, this video is made for you. Watch this video. Okay, let's start this video. Okay, before starting, I want to make you understand that I have already started this chapter. I have already defined capital in the previous video. In this video, I will discuss about the other terms. Here, these five keywords are capital, liabilities, assets, expenses, and revenue. In the previous video, I have already defined what is capital. In this video, I will discuss about the liabilities. Okay, let's start. What is liabilities? Think first. Before I tell the definition to you, think about the definitions of the liabilities. What is liabilities? Simple. Liability is something which is payable to someone else from business organizations. Liabilities is something else which is payable to someone else from business organizations. That is liabilities here. It may be capital, it may be bank loan, it may be whatever. But if it is payable to outsider or insider, whoever it may be, then that is liabilities for the business organizations. Is it? Okay. Let's see the definitions of liabilities here. Now we have to think about new terms. Liabilities. Business is requiring to purchase machine. Then how is it possible to purchase the machine? He needs some more money. So the business house requires some additional fund, additional cash. Okay, then what is the source of cash? What is the next source? What is the other source for the fund? It may be bank loan. It may be bank loan. Business may take loan from bank. Business house may take loan from bank. The business house taken rupees 10 lakh. As it gives to this one, the cash balance of business increased by rupees 10 lakh. Is it clear here? So business house has taken bank loan of rupees 10 lakh. So business house has now cash rupees 2 lakh plus 10 lakh 12 lakh. By using this cash, business house can acquire new assets or new machinery for the business organizations. Is it clear? So this is the amount which business has taken from the bank loan. It is payable after some days. So it is payable. That is why it is said to be liability. The amount which is payable to someone else is said to be liabilities. That is why it is. Okay, see the definitions. Okay, liability. The amounts payable by the business is known as liability. We have already known it. Okay, liabilities arise in the following conditions. When is the liability created or arises? Okay, these are the following conditions. When we take loan from bank, it's create liabilities because we have to pay the money after some days. Credit purchase. When you purchase something on credit purchase means we have taken goods, we have taken assets, but the payment is not made. We will pay the money after some days. That is credit purchase. So that is payable. It creates payable. That is why it is also liability. Expenses not paid. If we have not paid salary for the employees, outstanding expenses, income received in advance or unearned income. These are the situations which create liabilities in the business organization. When we take loan from bank, when we purchase something, we have purchased something, but we did not make payment for that one. We have not paid expenses, like we have not paid salary, we have not paid wages, like this one. That is outstanding salary, outstanding wages. Next one, income received in advance or unearned income. We have received commission, but we have not given service for that one. That is, we have taken in advance. We sometimes take advance from the customer as well. Customer's advance. Okay, you can say customer's advance that we have received. These are the situations which creates the liabilities for the business organizations. Now we have to think what are the types of liabilities. Okay, see, liabilities are of two types. These are here, long-term liabilities and short-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities said to be non-current liabilities and short-term liabilities said to be current liabilities. Okay, long-term liabilities. Definition of long-term liability. The liabilities which are payable after, think here, after one fiscal year or operating cycle. After 1 year or one operating cycle is said to be long-term liabilities. Means such types of liabilities which are to be paid after 1 year or one operating cycle or operating period, that is said to be long-term liabilities or non-current liabilities. For example, debenture, bank loan, term loan, mortgage loan, etc. These are long-term liabilities. Okay. Next, see the definition of short-term liabilities or current liabilities. This is simple. Just you have to change the word after. Okay. Okay. Now see the definition of short-term liabilities or current liabilities. The liabilities which are payable within. See here, I have just changed the word within one fiscal year or operating cycle is called current liabilities. It should be paid within 1 year or one operating cycle. Then that is current liabilities. Some example of current liabilities are here: creditors, bills payable, accounts payable, notes payable, tax payable, outstanding expenses, advance income, bank overdraft. These all are current liabilities. Then how are these? What are these? Okay. What are these all terms? These will be discussed later one by one. Simply try to understand in short. Creditors are the persons from whom we purchase something on credit. Something on credit. When we purchase from Ram on credit, then Ram is our creditors. Bills payable. This is a document that shows that we have to pay some amount to someone else. Accounts payable. Okay, similar to creditors. This also shows that you have to pay some amount to someone else as per the accounts. Tax payable, it is the amount payable to government. Outstanding expenses like salary, outstanding wages, these are the expenses which are not paid yet, it will be paid later. Advance income means you have not given service to someone else, but we have taken money from that one, then that is advance income. Bank overdraft means when we take or withdraw more money from bank than the balance is, then that is overdraft. It is the facilities given by bank. We directly cannot withdraw more than the balances. That is why the facilities should be taken from bank. So these all are the current liabilities. There are some other liabilities as well. Now think the difference between current liabilities and non-current liabilities. Current liabilities means the liabilities which is payable within 1 year or one operating cycle, and the liabilities which is payable after one operating cycle or fiscal year, then that is long-term liability. That is the difference. You can consider any amount. You have to think on the basis of the time period, whether it is payable within one fiscal year or operating cycle or after one fiscal year or operating cycle. In this video today we have discussed the definition of liability and the types of liabilities and how liabilities are being created in the business organization. How is it arised in the business organizations? Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.